Are you one of those people who sings in the shower? I can only hope that you've got good reason to sing in your bathroom, because a lot of them are a mess. Why is that? For one thing, bathrooms tend to be surfaces that are easy to clean. Quite apart from the fact that most bathrooms, at least in this country, are relatively small, they don't offer much in terms of storage, which means that a lot of things are just sitting out in the open. On the edge of the bathtub, on the floor of your shower, maybe things come on a string and are hanging somewhere. It's all a bit of a mess, and it also means that your bathroom is very difficult to clean. There is a good chance that you have a regular accumulation of dust. Because it's damp, everything in terms of dust is going to be sucked down and sits on the surfaces. You have to clean it regularly. Also, what I find is that a lot of people keep stuff in the bathroom that doesn't necessarily have to be there, like medication. Worst place for medication in the bathroom, it's damp. People have loads of towels, which makes sense, but it also keeps you from cleaning and from having clear surfaces that you can actually use to put stuff on and easily shift around. People have storage of toilet paper, of kitchen tissues. They have cleaning materials in the bathroom, none of which really need to be there. The point is that a bathroom is easy to maintain if it doesn't contain anything but what is necessary. Now, don't get me wrong, I am the last person to dismiss the need for having a candle or two in the bathroom and soft lighting. But there is a limit to everything you can have there. And if you like sumptuous baths with big suds and candles and music, you can always consider bringing the candles in, and the radio doesn't need to sit in the bathroom all the time. Give it a go. Make sure that your bathroom is easy to clean, and you'll find that you will clean it more often. Stay clutter aware and come back for more. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel, or select the playlist in the middle to see more content, or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.